Num num.
Num num. What are you eating, Aubrey? What are you eating?
No. No, Mama.
You want some corn?
Corn. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Is that good?
Mama.
What are these?
Baby.
Bebes? Do you like bebes? Are they good?
Okay.
They're good, huh?
Mom.
Yeah? More corn? Can you say corn? Say corn?
Corn.
Cone.
I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
You're done? You got a lot more to eat. What's all your bebes?
My bed. Corn.
Oh, don't do that. That just nicks up the table. Thank you.
I'm a animal.
You want more corn?
Corn.
Say more corn.
Okay.
You're so cute. Yummy. Is that good? Is that good?
No, baby.
More bebes, okay. Yum, yum.
Mom.
Yum, yum. Is that yummy? Yum, yum. You want to sit down? You want to sit down?
Fun.
Okay. Hold on.